Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share such a really amazing topic. This topic is having such a great thing, such a great level of the working. So if you are working on this web hosting, explain the thing, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family. So this is a really grateful to you to work on. So hope you like this video, hope you like this channel. Today I'm going to explain the web hosting. Web hosting is related to the things explain, and the web hosting is basically what is the thing is online service which enable you to publish the things and the website. Like if you have a website, if you are having an online store, if you have an online website, if you are working online, if you are working the things a website online, so this is a really important to know about the website thing, because if you want to create a traffic on, if you want to sell purchase the thing online, so this is a really important to work on this thing. So these are the things, and you are work on the website to transfer the file, to space on, to work on the data, to space the thing, and you are work on this. Basically this is a web hosting and the web app and the application to work on to the things and related to your information. So if you are having the information to work on the things, so this is a really grateful to you to work on the data, to work on, to keep on the things, to work on the web hosting and the things. So if you are the things who are the working on basically some fewer where the some store file and the data are web hosting. So if you are going to subscribe my channel, there is a few things to work on. So these are there three type of the data: dedicated file, shared file, cloud file, and the things you are working on. This is a really important to work on the things. These are the dedicated and the shared stored. You have to share and transfer the data and the file on it. So if you want to transfer the file and you want to share it your file with somebody else, so you can use your this cloud file data. Web hosting is related to the information and the website publishing and the things. So hope you like these things and like the data. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.